Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can get first bank first credit loan, everything that you need to know about this loan information. So I'm on their website, that's firstbanknigeria.com, and I'm just going to be sharing with you guys what they have here. So they say First Credit is a product designed to provide you with quick and simple loans to fund your transactions. This loan can be accessed from anywhere without visiting the bank. No documentation or collateral is required. All that you need is a mobile phone or a tablet. So it is easy, it is convenient, quick loan request and disposal, no physical documentation required, no hidden fees, no collateral. So for you to access this loan, the requirements are that you must first of all be a customer of First Bank, and you must have an account of up to that's been running for 6 months. Then you have to link your BVN, because you know that this is one of the requirements, and you must have your current phone numbers. Then you must also have positive credit records with credit bureaus. What this means is that there's a central body in Nigeria called the Credit Bureau. So if you are owing any loan application, all right, if you are owing on other apps, your record will be in the Credit Bureau, and once your credit score is in the negative, other loan lending companies may not want to give you loans. Then you must have a minimum of 1,000 naira in your account excuse me, and the maximum amount you can borrow on this First Credit is 300,000 naira, and the loan duration is 30 days. So you can't borrow 1 million here, you can borrow maximum of 300,000 without collateral. So the interest rate is 10% flat. So at the end of 30 days, you are going to pay, if you are borrowing 300,000 naira, you are going to pay 330,000 naira. Then the insurance is 1% per transaction. Then if you default, you have a penal charge of 1% monthly and daily interest of 0.3%. So if you default in making repayments as at when due, interest on disbursed amount will be taken upfront on loan disbursal. So what this means is that if you apply for 300,000, you guys know that the interest rate is 10% flat. So what they are going to do is that they will deduct that 10% interest from the 300,000. So you are going to get, when they disburse this loan, you are going to get 270,000. That's what you are going. That's what the first of all deduct 30,000, and they say the insurance fee is also taken upfront on loan disbursal. So insurance fee is 1% per transaction. So they are going to deduct 1% on 300,000. 10% on that 300, so they are going to deduct 11%. So that's about 1% of 300,000 is 3,000. So they are going to deduct 33,000. So you are going to be left with about 270. My math is bad, but you understand. So how do you apply? So you can use, they have a code. So if you have a First Bank account, it's very easy. You can dial *894#, select loans, select First Credit, select get new loans, select the account number with which you want to apply for the loan, grant data usage consent, and accept terms and conditions. So we are going to look at the terms and conditions. Then you are presented with 4 loan amount options. So they will give you different options that you will choose from. Then you choose your desired loan amount, how much you want. Then loan is disbursed into your account. So let's see what the terms are these terms and conditions is plenty, you guys. If people want me to this is now getting into my work as a lawyer, but let me just look at the general overview. So they say here that please read these terms and conditions carefully before accepting the service. By accessing or using the service FBN First Credit, you agree to be bound by the terms and conditions stated herein. These terms and conditions are subject to changes from time to time, and same will be hosted on FBN website. If you do not agree with the terms and conditions, please do not subscribe to the offer or use the service. By using this service, you indicate that you unconditionally accept the terms of this agreement and you agree to abide by them. So you guys take out time to look at the terms and conditions. I would have loved to go into details, but now I'm not your lawyer. If you want more information on that, you can hire me as your lawyer to explain these terms and conditions for you. Anyway, so yeah, this is how to get a First Bank First Credit loan. Let me know, has anyone used this their service? Do they send First Bank is a reputable organization, and I know they will have their ways of getting loan recovery and not going into the sharp practices that we see these days. But that would depend on what's the terms and conditions. Okay, so let me look at breach. So let's look at that one. I think I can take that one. So they say in the event of any failure by the borrower to pay any amount which is due and outstanding under this agreement, any breach by the borrower of the terms of this agreement, or any failure by the borrower to carry out his or her obligations under this agreement, then the full sum outstanding under this agreement, together with any penal charge 1% monthly, and all other charges and expenses owing to and due to the bank by the borrower, shall become immediately due and payable, and without giving notice to the borrower, the bank shall be entitled to terminate this agreement and claim and or recover from the borrower any damages / losses it may have suffered as a consequence. So basically what they are saying here is that once you breach the terms of this agreement, which is that you need to pay back the loan is going to become due 30 days after you collect the money. So you should have paid back the money after that 30 days duration period. Failure to do that would now mean that you are going to pay the penal charge, which is 1% monthly, and I think 0.03. We saw it earlier on, and they are saying that there might be other charges that you need to pay because you are owing the bank, and that they would terminate this agreement without notice to you and carry out means to recover their money. Okay, also you give the bank authorization to any instruction on the service received to, and it's agreed that surely shall be equal to be borrower's instruction. So that means they are giving them authority to be able to collect their money at source from your account. So that's all I'm going to that's it. I'm not going beyond this one again. So yeah, if you want to collect what's the name now, First Credit, what's their code again? *94#. This is not a sponsored post, you guys, but this is one of their instant loan services, and I said let me just share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.